Hey everyone, and welcome to another wonderful episode of Sharp Minds HQ, in which we break down smart policies and sharp thinking, shaping our future. Today we'll be looking at another powerful perspective of public advocacy by an elite student of Oka College, Gospel Job. He explains to us that public advocacy also affects students in their educational life. Please stay tuned.
My name is Gospel Job from SS1 and I'm representing Oka College. Today I'll be illustrating how youth can engage in policy advocacy and leadership. Do you know that youth make up 60% of Africa's population? Today, I'm here to challenge you all to take action on an issue that affects us all. As Nelson Mandela once said, the youths of today are the leaders of tomorrow. But before we dig in, what is this policy advocacy and leadership that we want to find out how youth can engage in it? Policy advocacy and leadership refers to the influencing and shaping of public policy decisions to promote a specific cause, interest, or issue. Today, I want to talk about how we as youth can engage in policy advocacy and leadership. As young people, we have the power to create change and shape our future. As young people too, we often complain about the problems we face in our community, from education to healthcare, from unemployment to climate change. Complaining is not enough. We must take action, must engage in policy advocacy and leadership to create the change we want to see. So today I have gathered 6 points that can help us engage in policy advocacy and leadership. Firstly, educate yourself. Learn about the problems and issues that affect your community and your country. Read books, articles, newspaper, and research papers, and attend conferences. Secondly, identify your passion. What are you most passionate or interested about? Is it education? Is it environmental problem? Whatever it is, just focus on that area and become an expert in it. Thirdly, build a network. Yes, build a network. Connect with other youth who share your passion. Join groups and clubs that align with your values. And participate in public hearing to make your voice heard. And moreover, engage with policymakers. Attend town hall meetings and write letters to your representative and participate in public hearing to amplify your voice. And moreover, use your voice. Speak out on social media, create videos, and participate in debates like this one to raise awareness about the issues that matters to you a lot. And lastly, run for political offices. Yes, you heard that right. Run for political offices. Become a leader and make decisions that impact your community and your country. You can start by contesting as the president of your school or your workplace. And so in conclusion, I urge you today to take action, educate yourself, identify your passion, build a connection, engage with policymakers, use your voice, and run for political offices so we can create the change we all want to see. Remember, the power to create change lies within each and every one of us. So let's harness that power and use it well.
Thank you, Gospel Job, for that powerful perspective of public advocacy. And again, if you have found value in this video, and if you find this video important and interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your community for more videos of the future leaders. Once again, I remain your humble host, Bright Yusuf. And until next time, keep taking sharp and stay sharp.